Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So this is the part 2. Let's try to finish up this one so that we take N2. So then we were actually here. So this point we are actually at this point. So this point is which one? You'll see it clearly there by our top view is this one. Understand? So from here till there is 50 millimeter. Remember on the previous video I explained nicely this 50 is different compared to this one. So this one is the height, this one is the width, because we do not have a length or a height there by our top view. You understand? So this is the top view, this is the front view, this is a right view. You understand? So now if they said from here till there is 50, and they even told us from here till there is 25, which is that one, from there till there is 25. Remember, we started by getting this 50 from there till there, then from there going back we recorded what, 25, which is this one, from there till there. You understand? So if I'm at this such an extent, if I'm at this extent, so I will have to simply take this point at an angle of 30 degrees. Where is my square? Right, guys, like as I was saying, I am going to project this point. Don't mind about my set squares. I think there were students that they were taught using these set squares, they were able to get distinctions. You understand? So don't mind how old it is. So let us go. So now after I've took this point at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise, let me look. I will give a dimension from here till there. You understand? So that's how you analyze them. That's how you analyze the views. So compare the dimension there. So if from here till there is 25, is this one, from there till there isn't. How about this one, from there till there? Because this one actually is talking about what, which is this one, that 15 millimeter is actually talking about this one. If I am so we see this corner from there till there, it seems to be missing. You understand? Because this 15 that they dimension here, this 15 that they dimension, they said from here till here is 25 millimeter, which is from there till there, from here till here, isn't it? From here till here is 25. From here till there is that dimension which I said seems to be missing. You understand? Because that 15, when you might be you might think is 15 millimeter. So it's what is actually not the 15. So that 15 is actually from here till there, which is this one, which is from here till here, there by your front view. You understand? From here till there by your front view is your 25 millimeter. Then where your 25 millimeter begins what? 15. So from there till there is 15. You understand? Which is from there till there by our top view. You understand? So the missing dimension, or the missing point dimension that I am looking for, is actually from there till there. You understand? So that missing dimension is going to be 10 millimeter. So how am I going to do that? I'll simply take this point. That's where my 25 ends, isn't it? So from here till there is my 25. You understand? So after I've gotten that 25, that missing dimension, let me end with it. You understand? So now I see a dimension of from here till there, which is also unknown, but I'll say from there till there is what, is 25, isn't it? So from there till there we are told what is 10 millimeter. Understand? Or we are even told what is actually there by your right view, from here till there they were not even supposed to dimension, so they extra gave us dimension, because if we say 15 plus 10, it goes back to what, to that 25, you understand. So this one is that supported of 10 millimeter, which is this one from there till there. Remember, the right view as well as the top view, they will share the same what length. I mean, not length, but breadth or width. Remember, a length is there by your front view. So from there till there it's a length, from there till there is a width, from here till there it's a height, from there till there it's a height, from here till here it's a length. So which means the front view as well as the top view, the front as well, they will always share the same length. Because from here till there is, if it's 100, which means again from here till there would be the same 100, you understand. So the front as well as the right, they will always share the same what, a height. Vertically we can give it a name as height. So from here till there is still the same as what, as 50 millimeter. From here till there is still the same what, 30 millimeter, you understand. So now what I'm gonna do, as I've just drew this one faint, so now I'm going to record that 10 millimeter from here coming this side. Which 10 is that one? Is this one from there till there. Which point is this one? Which point is this one? Is actually this one, that one, you understand. So from that point coming this side is what, is 10 millimeter, and it's actually somewhere there. It's actually somewhere there. So which means I can simply record that 10 millimeter from here till there is the 10. So I cannot draw it dark from here till there. Hence I can see it clearly there by my top view. It's not dark. So it's not dark from here till there. So the line that I can draw it dark is only this one from here till right there. You understand? So after I've gotten this point, what am I going to do? This one has to be further extended. Hey, this old ruler, oh my brother. So I'll extend this point at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise and take this one vertically down. There you go. Guys, who can donate with his set squares? I'm struggling, but by God's grace tomorrow I'll go there by Toshiba in Wetbank, Toshiba, and get some set squares there. I think they've got 2 for me there. So this one we've already gotten it. You are going to see it clearly when you view it at what, at your right view. Which one? Which is this one from there till there, you understand. So from there till there is which one? Is this one from there till right there, you understand. So now what I'm gonna do, I'll take this line faint for now, faint. It's supposed to come this side, so I'll come back to what, to my front view. I see, actually let me come, because I'm at this point, isn't it? This point, go back to what, to your top view. So this point there by your top view is which one? Is it that one? Let me see. Yes, it's that one. It's this one. You understand? This point in our drawing is which one? Is this one. Then this one in our drawing is which one? Is which one? This one is that one. You understand? So now what I'm gonna do, let me zoom it up just a little bit. What I'm gonna do, I'll go this direction, dark from here to there. And how am I going to get that dimension? I am told to with 10 millimeter ends, there is a dimension of what, of 5 millimeter. So which means from here, because from here till there is that 10. So from here coming this side, I'll record the what, the 25 millimeter. And don't be confused about this one. Don't be confused about this one. Which one is that one? Is actually, don't be confused about this one. Which one is this one? Is that out a point that we started with? So I can easily erase it. understand? So that now I can come from this side, coming this side, from that point coming this side, I can record the dimension of 25 millimeter. So that 25 millimeter is that one. So from here till there is what is 25 millimeter. So I cannot draw it dark from here till there, hence I cannot see it dark right from my what, my top view. Nicely check it nicely there by your top view, which from here till there is not dark. So the only dark line is this. So this missing dimension, we already gotten it. You understand which one? Which is this one from there till there. You understand? So once I get this point, I'll come this side at an angle. I'll take this point at an angle of 30 degrees clockwise. There you go. So I'll record another 15 millimeter. You understand? So the second one from there till the 15 millimeter. So there is my 15 millimeter. I can have it solid. You understand? So after I've gotten that, so the point that I'm looking for now, check it nicely there by your front view is that one. You understand? Is that one. The point that we have now is that one, which is that one. So I can draw it vertically faint now. Faint down, and I can take this one as well. I can take this one down as well. Faint. You understand? So the moment this one, I can have it solid now, solid from here to right there. There you go. Double lines are not allowed. You see this thing of drawing during the night. So I have this one dark as well, my brother. There you go. And there you go. So I can have this one solid. Remember, these views they were viewed orthographically. This is a little bit back. You are not going to see it when you are just checking it on your front view only. Let's say you are not given the top as well as the right. Assuming you are just given the front view only, we're going to struggle to get this. You understand? But when you view it, you take a look there by your top view. This one, okay, it's a little bit back, and you confirm that with your right view, so you'll see it clearly. Okay, it's a little bit back. You understand? So that is why it is like this. So now I'll take this point. Take this point at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise. This one again. So now this shape, because now this point is this one that I just got now. This one. From there it will be up until at that supporter, which is which one? Is that one. So I can have it dark now without fear or favor, not because of I'm favoring it. It's supposed to be dark like this. You understand? Dark like this, and I come back to have this one dark. You understand? This is grade 10 in engineering graphics and design. I almost said engineering drawing. You understand? So now I'll take this one vertically down as well. So there you go. So that I have this dark till there, and dark till there. Anyway, so let's just finish it up. So guys, if you think it's simple to you, it is to somebody, it is not simple. So give a room for others to learn. You understand? And please, if you are good at drawing, please teach Don't be selfish with knowledge. Don't be teach other people. You understand? So like we agreed before, Uguti, so that dimension, it will be what? It will be 10 millimeter. So look at it. Let me explain it for the last time. So from this point, there by our front view, this point, this is the front. This point in our drawing is that one. You understand? This point. So this one, where is it? This second one in our drawing is this one. You understand? Remember, this is viewed orthographical. You understand? So do you see that there is a dimension that is feathering go? You can see it clearly there by your what? Your top view. You can see it clearly, nicely there by your top view. Which is this point. So I'm saying that this dimension, which is actually from here till there, is not 15 but is 10 millimeter. So which means I have to record 10 millimeter. So there is my 10 millimeter. You understand? So where my 10 millimeter ends, so now I'll have it dark from here till right there. So which one is this one? Which one is this one? It's actually that one from there till there. You understand? So now I can join this point this point with that one. You see that I'm pointing it right from your top view. In our drawing, you can now take your 30 millimeter ruler and join this point with that one. You understand? So after I've gotten this point, I'll take it at an angle of 30 degrees, just a little bit, because it's of a thickness of what? Of 10 millimeter. Just like this. There you go. You understand? So after I've gotten it like this, I can come back here to have it dark from there till there. You understand? So I have it, can come back to what, to finish it now solid there. So it is of a thickness of 10 millimeter. So that dimension is actually 10 millimeter. You understand? So I'll come back down here to what, to record that 10 millimeter. So this point that I'm looking for, check it nicely there by your what, your right view. It's actually that one from there to there. You understand? So the 10 millimeter, I come back here and have it. There is my 10 millimeter. So now I can take my 30 millimeter ruler and join it. There you go. You understand? Is it done? TikTokers, is it done? I think I'm done. Is it done? No, it is not yet done. I will have to get a line that is at an angle of 30 degrees that is gonna behave like this. You understand? So do you see that you are at a right track? Look, my T-square is actually aligned to my drawing table. You understand? So the set square is supposed to run along my T-square, isn't it? So if I'm running my T-square along my set square along my T-square, I want to get a line that's going to be from here till there. Do you see that we are at a right track? Look, it's coming straight. We are at a right track and correct in terms of dimension all together. So we are not done. Take a closer look there by your front view. We are having hidden details. These hidden details, this one, oh, this talks about that one. Again, take a closer look. We are having another one there by our right view. Okay, it's talking about that one. You understand? So to get that hole, or the square hole, we are told to go to right from the point A, coming this side is what? Is 32 millimeter. My point A, which is that one. Remember, we see it clearly there by our top view. That is why we are going to dimension right from the top view. You understand? So the set number 32. So I come here Where is my 32? This is my 30. 32 is that one. You understand? So once I've gotten the 32, I am going to take this line faint. You understand? So do you see what they said? From point A coming this side is 32, where your 32 ends to go back, they said is 24 millimeter. You understand? So I am going to record my 24. This is 25. There is my 24. So there is my 24. And I take this point again at an angle of 30 degrees clockwise as a constructional line, faint. So there you go. After I've gotten that one, go back to my question. So I am told again, right from my point A, from point A coming this side, which means from here coming here, from here, not here, but from here, point A coming this side is 38 millimeter. Record it right from your front view. So now, since I'm having these two, this 38, I can simply record it on top of this constructional line that I just got. There is my 38, 39, 40, isn't it? So the point that I'm looking for is actually right there. So from here till there is 38. We are told right from our given view, which from here till there is how much is 38, isn't it? So after I've gotten the 38, so I can simply draw this one without fear or favor, not because of I'm favoring it. Where is Mr. Owner? Where is Mr. Owner? So now after I've gotten that, I'll go back with what? Towards my point A with what? With 30 millimeter. You understand? So which means from here till there is supposed to be 8 millimeter. So you don't have to even subtract or divide, multiply. Just record this dimension. Follow them the way you see them. But okay, I see this dimension from this point to that one. Just to get it. Don't be like, okay, if I minus this, if I adding with that, which means, you understand, you'll be just wasting your time. Remember, the biggest enemy in the examination is time. That's what I used to say. It's not an invigilator that will be moving around your table, but it's actually time. You understand? So now you see, check it nicely there by your top view as well as your right view. You see what these hidden details, they're actually starting from here till down there. You understand? So which means we have to expose the hole. It's a hole with what? With this line. So we are going to take the thickness. So the thickness of it, they said this out is of what? It's of it's of 10 millimeter. So after gotten the 10 millimeter, this is what I'm gonna do. So from here, this point going down is 10 millimeter, which is that one. So now I can simply go this direction. There you go. And like this I can go. So that was engineering graphics and design grade 10. Engineering graphics and design grade 10, task 5.6. Task 5.6. So like as I've said, our aim or our goal is to upload everything that we are coming across, actually every question that you want us to do. So sorry my brother to take time, sorry. I think this was supposed to be uploaded 3 weeks or 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken. Sorry my brother to take time. So that's how you go about it. That's how you go about it. So thank you very much guys for watching. That was me, Mr. Ngosi. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video you are watching at that time. Consider subscribing guys. You've got nothing to lose. Keep on watching the channel. subscribe for more videos to be uploaded. Okay, that was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.